Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing an art journal spread with you guys using the brand new extra large blending palette from Tombow. I love this thing so much already, you guys. It's crazy. If you don't have it yet, you definitely need it. But yeah, I'm using it to create a watercolory background for my art journal page. I'm using the dual brush pens in colors 055, 925, and 743, and I'm just coloring dots of color using those pens on the blending palette. And this is super easy to do. Anyone can do this. And then once you have all the colors that you want on your blending palette, you just spritz it with some water. And then I'm going to open up my journal and just kind of mush my page on there to create a fun background effect. Now here it looks kind of crazy, but once it's dry, it looks a lot nicer. So I'm going to go back in and add some more color and interest using some of the leftover bits. I will dry it again with my heat tool off screen, and that is the finished result. I think it's super pretty. So for my quote on my art journal page, I'm going to write "Choose Joy," and I'm using the Tombow Mono Twin permanent marker. It has 2 points, which is nice. It has a bolder point and then a fine tip. Once I have my quote written out, I'm going to go back over the joy word and add some more interest to it. So I wanted to make them a little bit thicker so that they really popped out of the page. So it's kind of like a faux calligraphy effect type of thing. I'm just making the letters thicker by adding more lines, and then I will color them in with the broad side of the Mono Twin marker. At this point in the art journal process, I'm taking a thin white paint pen and just going around the choose word that I wrote, and then I will take a thicker white paint pen and go around joy. And I think that will really help make my words pop off the page, give it some extra contrast and interest, and I just really like doing this. I think it adds some nice detail and fun to my pages. I also thought it would be fun to add some floral details to my background, so I'm using that same thick white paint pen to draw some flowers, and I think they turn out really cute. And then I'm going to add some more on the other side of the page as well to kind of help balance things out. Once my flowers were dry, I went back in with the Tombow Mono Twin marker with the broad tip, and I added some little dots on the page, and then I also went over the white paint lines that I used to create the flowers. And the Mono Twin was just a little bit thinner in width than the white paint pen, so you can still see some of the white. And this is just a really quick kind of hack so that you don't have to like retrace everything with a white pen. Yeah, it's kind of a quicker way of doing the whole choose joy black and white thing. So if you have some paint pens and you have a Tombow Mono Twin, give this a try. It's really fun. And since this whole spread is about choosing joy and being joyful, I wanted to add some sparkle because I feel like that makes me joyful. So I'm adding some of the Tombow Mono Aqua liquid glue to my little flowers. And then I'm just using a small paintbrush to spread that glue around on the petals. And then I'm going to take some of this, like, I don't know, flake glitter or something, tinsel glitter I think, and sprinkle that on some of the flower petals. So I think this is really cute. I only added glitter to I think 3 of the flowers, so that top one in the right top corner and then these bottom 2. So I really like the effect, and the glue dries clear and not tacky at all, so it's perfect for something like using in a journal. And once all of the glue is dry, I shook off the excess glitter and it looks super duper cute. And then I'm going to add a little phrase sticker. This one says "Live in the Moment," and I thought it really echoed the choose joy phrase. And then I'm going to just trace around that with the thin point or the fine point of the Tombow Mono Twin to make it pop a little bit more and to kind of help tie it more into the page. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!